I forgot. But now I remember. I was lost inside illusions, trying to find my way back home. Wearing masks that never fit me, feeling like I'm all alone. But something deep inside was calling, I could never let it go. A quiet voice within my spirit saying, you already know. I feel it rising in my chest, a sacred fire I suppressed. I remember who I am. I'm not broken, I just changed. I was buried in the dark, now I'm stepping in my flame. I'm divine, I'm infinite, I'm the truth they couldn't face. I remember who I am, and I'm taking back my place. Every tear became a portal, every pain became a key. I unlocked a deeper power that was always inside me. They tried to dim my light, but I was born to radiate. Now I walk like I'm the chosen